Welcome! Today I will be taking you along with me to pack for a weekend away. I will be dining out both nights as well as going to Sunday brunch while on this little weekend getaway. Therefore, fashion pieces such as shoes are essential. I will be partnering with ShoeDazzle for today's video. If you are new to ShoeDazzle, let me fill you in. ShoeDazzle is a site where you can get your fashion fix by shopping on trend clothing pieces and accessories like shoes at an irresistible price. ShoeDazzle offers top trends and style inspiration for all women that love fashion. Whatever your style preference is, ShoeDazzle has something for everyone. If you are more of a timeless, classic type of lady, or maybe you like more of an edgy look, or maybe you like boho, or something feminine. If you are a career lady, there are plenty of options for you, and maybe if you are more casual, ShoeDazzle has something to offer for everyone at quality, affordable prices. The other thing that I love about ShoeDazzle is they go beyond shoes and clothing pieces and also offer accessories and other unique items that us ladies love to have, like this gorgeous weekender bag right here, which we will be packing up for my weekend away. One for me and one as a gift. Yes, that is how we do things, or at least I do. One for a gift, one for me. It always works that way. In the drop-down box below this video, there will be a special link. Make sure to click that link to take advantage of your first ShoeDazzle style for as low as $10. That is 75% off your first item with ShoeDazzle. All right, let's get packing. When I saw this weekender bag on the ShoeDazzle site, I knew that I had to have it. It is perfect for an overnight or weekend trip. My toiletry case and makeup case fit in it perfectly. I also have a packing cube here with my pajamas and undergarments. I was also able to fit in my charging devices and my vlogging camera, just in case I decide to do a little vlogging. I love these shoes that I picked up from ShoeDazzle as they are a perfect complement for the outfits that I packed. Check out this gorgeous animal print cami. I love this. This is going to be one of the items that I will be wearing when I am out, and this is also from ShoeDazzle. The second day will be a little bit more casual, so I packed some black wedges to go with the outfit that I will be wearing, and then on Sunday, we will be going to brunch. I packed a beautiful striped jumpsuit, and I love these wedges right here to complement it so well. There is just nothing about having amazing shoes. They evoke confidence and express attitude. Let me explain how ShoeDazzle works. The first thing that I want to tell you is that this is a personalized experience. Every woman gets her own showroom each month. Again, it's all about your personal style. Again, whatever it is. If you're more classic, ShoeDazzle has something for you. If you're more edgy, they will create a showroom to go with your style taste. The first thing you do is take a super quick 60-second style quiz for personalized recommendations. There's over 1,000 styles. After taking the quiz, you'll receive a personalized showroom of pieces specifically catered towards your unique style. That's the beauty of the quiz. You've provided your style to ShoeDazzle by taking the quiz, and now they are creating your personal wardrobe for you. So basically, all of the legwork is done for you. No homework involved. It's all done for you. And I think we can all relate to needing some easy breezy and a little assistance there. Now be sure to enter your email address when you are done taking the style quiz. This is a step that many people skip, but you aren't going to want to miss this because you will receive exclusive monthly discounts. The other thing is you will be in the know of the latest and greatest that ShoeDazzle has to offer. They update every single month, so you're going to want to stay on top of this, and the best way to do that is by subscribing to their email list. When you are done, you can check out as a guest or you can become a VIP. The perk to being a VIP is you will receive 30 to 50% off regular prices plus free shipping on orders totaling over $39. There's also no commitment to order monthly when you are a VIP. The site is very easy to navigate, and you're talking to someone who is not exactly savvy on a computer or on a device. But if you need a little help getting started, you can shop by new arrivals, best sellers, or seasonal trending boutiques. Don't forget that ShoeDazzle changes their website frequently, so stay on top of things. I know for myself, I have to do this. The reason is I am a size 8 shoe, and the size 7, 7.5, or 8 in a lady's shoe are generally the most popular. So those are the ones that get picked over the quickest. What I am getting at is if you subscribe to their email, you will know about these monthly updates that they have and new product releases. Well, there you have it. Pack with me for an overnight trip. Plus, learn how to stay on your shoe trend game with ShoeDazzle. We've got the Weekender bag, a couple amazing outfits with some adorable clothing pieces, and everything else that I need. I even have an adorable black bathing suit here from ShoeDazzle. Again, they have something for everyone. They also have items, shoes, for everyone in the entire family. Make sure to click that special link in the description box below to take advantage of your first ShoeDazzle style for as low as $10. Again, that is 75% off your first item with ShoeDazzle when you sign up to be a VIP. On top of that, your first item or your total purchase under $39, you will get free shipping. Be sure to check out some of my favorite items. I love booties, I love wedges, I love anything with a heel. I'm a heel girl, but if you prefer more of a flat sandal, a flat shoe, or maybe you're a sneaker type of girl, ShoeDazzle has it all. Again, something for everyone in the family. All right, thanks for joining me. We'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.